I think this is the best duo lav mic if you have an iPhone. And listen to my audio now because I'm going to put it on and you will hear the difference in it. So you're going to get two of the microphones, two of the lav mics, two of the little microphone packs, and then this is the little connector for your cell phone. So I'll show you how it works here. So there's a little microphone image right there. You just push it right in, and then you're gonna turn it to the on position, and you'll know it's pairing because it's doing that little blue light. And then there's a clip here for your back pocket or the back of your pants. And then you just run your microphone up through your shirt and it clips on the inside right there. So the wire kind of hides within it. And then this goes behind you. Okay, and then this is gonna attach to your phone. All right, so now I have my lavalier mic on and I'm sure you can hear the difference. It really does make a difference. It makes it sound so much more professional. I love it. I can move around, and if I want to do like a two-person interview, I do have my extra microphone as well. I always keep some spare batteries there, and then here's the little travel kit. It's got a nice hard exterior, so it keeps everything safe. And it's very lightweight, so great for portable and using it on the go. I used to be in TV news. This feels very professional to me, and it's been great. I love using it.